Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make a new watercolor painting. For this, we will need these colors. They are all watercolors. First, we will mix these two colors of the sky and use them on the watercolor sheet. They will spread it in such a way that they will leave the building in the middle and color it. Now we all colors the building as well. So color the building. We will use purple color as it is here. We'll do light color. Half of the building will be colored and half will be left. Corner will be dark on one side and light color on their side. Now we will color dark blue on the corner side on top of the same color. Now we will paint red on top of the roof of the building below and will paint brown color above the wall of the building. Once this color is darkened, again will we have colored expect the window in the middle. We will use a little of this color on the ground below. Now we will also paint red on the top and black on the net below, like this. Now we will also paint the window that was left where there are windows. Once again, the blue color will be applied once again to the wall of the building. Above now, purple color and blue color will be done from place to place in the sky in this way. Now we will color the area below the building. We have to use black color in such a way that it looks like grass. The some black color we will use in place on the ground below to make some stress, and on top of it we will also use a little green color. Now we will use light green color on the remaining place. Along with this, we will also use dark blue color on the ground. Black color will also be used on the remaining space. Now, now we will make stress with brown color. After doing all these colors in place, we will color the wood of the stress with brown color, and on the remaining space below we will color purple color and black color and green color. Now we will make 3 or 4 trees that are next to the building. First we will create a light green design with black paint, then add the dark green color to all the trees in this way, and then and the lower parts will be colored black. Now we will once again set the color of the skies. Some colors will darken the walls of the building. Some will darken the roof of the building. Once again, like this, dark color will be done again on the ceiling and on the walls and also on the window. So now the painting is ready. If you like it, please tell me in the comment Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.